Is Tesla canceling its $25,000 EV? Or is it all just noise? Let's break down the facts, the drama, and what it means for investors. Hey everyone, it's Ken here. In today's video, we're diving into Tesla's internal confusion over the rumored cancellation of its low-cost EV, the sudden pivot to a robotaxi strategy, and what all of this means for the stock price. Stick around because there's a lot to unpack. So let's start with the chaos surrounding Tesla's rumored $25,000 EV, aka the Model 2. In April 2024, Reuters reported that Tesla had scrapped development of its low-cost EV. Elon Musk quickly fired back on X, saying the report was false, which temporarily boosted the stock. Sound familiar? But behind the scenes, internal communications show that weeks earlier, Tesla leadership had already informed staff that the project was officially canceled. Executives reportedly scrambled to confirm whether the development was still ongoing after Musk's denial. He was later said to have firmly shut down any suggestion of restarting it. This kind of internal contradiction has alarmed some investors, and some execs were even concerned it might trigger an SEC investigation. You might recall Musk previously had to pay a settlement to the SEC in 2018 for misleading tweets. With all this, we're left wondering, what's really happening with the Model 2? Well, the bigger picture here seems to be Tesla's shift to a full-on robotaxi strategy. Tesla plans to roll out its robotaxi program starting June 12th, but its initial trademark applications for robotaxi and cybercab were rejected for being too generic. In response, Tesla filed a new trademark, Tesla Robotaxi, now with the brand name included. This move could help push the application through, and it's expected to cover not just the vehicles, but the app and the entire service ecosystem. Still, trademark approval might take several months, meaning it's unclear whether it'll be finalized before the big Robotaxi event on June 12, 2025. Tesla is clearly betting big on autonomous ride-hailing as its next major growth driver. So, how is the market reacting? On June 2nd, 2025, Tesla closed at $342.69, a 1.09% drop from the previous day. It moved between $333 and $348 throughout the day, testing, but failing to break, resistance at $343.76. From a technical standpoint, RSI sits at 61, showing no signs of being overbought. MACD remains in positive territory, suggesting a medium-term uptrend, and Tesla's price remains well above its 50-day and 200-day moving averages. However, trading volume has declined, signaling a potential short-term consolidation. If Tesla breaks above the 343.76 resistance line again, we could see renewed upward momentum. And as of writing this script, the stock is already up to 354. Let's talk about Elon Musk himself. He recently stepped back from political advisory roles, like the so-called Department of Government Efficiency, DOGE, to refocus on Tesla, SpaceX, and XAI. He claims to be working 24/7, even sleeping on factory floors and in server rooms. But his time in politics raised questions about leadership gaps within Tesla and communication missteps that may have damaged investor trust. Meanwhile, Musk is raising $5 billion in bonds for his AI startup XAI, aiming for a valuation of $113 billion. He's also secured $650 million in funding for Neuralink, which is working on brain-machine interfaces. All of this ties back into Tesla's future, whether directly or indirectly. Tesla shares dropped earlier this year, but since May, they've surged more than 20%, and since April 8th, they're up around 61%. Much of that growth is driven by investor excitement around Robotaxi, AI, and confidence in Musk's renewed focus. But fundamentals tell a different story. Tesla's market cap is currently around $1.1 trillion. Its trailing 12-month EPS is $1.77, putting its PE ratio at a sky-high 193. A DCF-based fair value estimate pegs the stock at $51. Clearly, the stock price is based on future expectations more than current profits. Analysts are split. The median target is $380, with forecasts ranging from $137 to $800. Wedbush recently raised its price target to $550, citing autonomous driving and AI. Morgan Stanley's Adam Jonas believes Tesla could hit $800 based on its robotics and robotaxi future. So here's the real question. Do you believe in Tesla's long-term vision? Because ultimately, that's what your investment hinges on. The next earnings call on July 22nd, 2025 could be a key turning point. All eyes will be on Tesla's revenue, profit margins, and progress on new initiatives. What do you think about Tesla's decision to potentially scrap Model 2 and double down on Robotaxi? Let me know in the comments. Your take matters. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Tesla content like this. I post updates every single day to help you stay ahead on all things Tesla. Thanks for watching and enjoy your Tesla-powered life.